if I'm gonna eat Kraft dinner, my life is gonna be Kraft dinner. You know what I mean?
What do you spend on groceries in a week?
Well, if you ask Jessica, she would have no idea. Here's Jessica in the shopping mall.
I want that.
Oh,
that looks good.
like there's never one moment that she looks at the price. It's just like bloop, 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 bloop. But she's good in every other area of her life, like with financial restraint and not spending a lot of money. But when it comes to food, it's like she just doesn't look at prices.
That's so not true. That's like, I mean, that's somewhat true, but it's an exaggeration. But to me, food is everything.
Food is life.
It's everything.
No,
like,
and
it just is. And I'm gonna eat healthy food, and I'm gonna get the certain fruits and vegetables that I want, and not just the ones that are cheapest.
Yeah, no, and I was gonna preface that with, if you're gonna be like that in any area of life where you don't look at prices, food is the way to do it, because food is life.
Damn it.
But could you answer that question?
Oh, our weekly budget, well, the thing is, it's not like we go grocery shopping like once every 7 days.
Well, the thing is, I have money in my savings account, then I transfer it to my checking account, so it's still in anyway. Kevin Hart joke.
The thing is, I got a checking in the savings, but all the money is in my savings. So I gotta switch it to my checking, but it's gonna take 3 business days.
Relax. I'm gonna say it's several $100s, but I don't know an exact figure.
There's a very exact several $100s
per week.
Yeah.
But I don't know exactly. Do you? Can you answer the question?
Yes, because I'm the one who takes care of all.
She doesn't even know.
Because I'm the one who takes care of all our finances, so I know.
Do you know?
Yeah, we spend.
Do you have an average number?
Well, like on a monthly basis, we spend around $700 to $800 a month on food. Sometimes it gets higher, sometimes it's really never lower. No. But it's like on average, it's like right around $800 a month.
So that would be like $200 a week?
$200 a week, but we don't.
See, I thought it was more than
Yeah, but no, but we'll go to Costco and spend $300, and then, it balances itself out. So just on average.
But the Costco haul lasts for at least
It does. That's
2
what
weeks,
I'm saying.
You know what I mean? So it's hard to really estimate that, because it's not like we do it on even Sunday days.
But here's the thing, guys. Like, a lot of people will look at that like, oh my God, that's so much food. I can't do it, so I'm just going to give up. Not even going to start to try.
Right. We
honestly
always do it this way.
Like, when I was making zero to no money when I first got into this business as an entrepreneur, I still ate high quality food.
What'd you just go into debt?
No, I had savings, but I wasn't willing to not spend money on healthy food even though I wasn't making money. It's a mindset thing with me. Like, if I'm gonna eat Kraft dinner, my life is gonna be Kraft dinner. You know what I mean?
My life will be Kraft.
It's like, if you're gonna set that expectation for yourself that you won't be able to afford anything but Kraft dinner, your life is Kraft dinner. So, you guys probably know mac and cheese.
Yeah, I was gonna say, can you translate that to American?
To Americans.
But yeah, so
go in there and just go in with the mindset. What?
You're just talking right when I was going to say something.
I'm in the middle of my rant here.
No,
you blew me off. You go.
Right. I just wanted to say, a lot of people are more than willing to drop like several hundred or even several $1,000s on like a trip, a nice pair of shoes, a fancy purse. Like, think about what the things that you're spending your money on. Like, for us, we invest in our food because we understand that food equals
life
results that we want. Fancy shoes, I don't have Gucci shoes in my closet because they don't matter to me. Like, what matters to me is what goes into my body.
You see all these people on, YouTube, especially Instagram, like, they're so showy. They're showing the cars they drive. They're showing the expensive clothes they're wearing, the expensive watches, the jewelry. We don't do that. To me, I want to put my money in stuff that's actually creating something out of my own life, food.
And it creates the way that you feel, which is of the utmost importance to us. Like, we want to feel good every day.
It's all about priorities, guys. Priorities.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming.